followed by the rain clouds. My clothes are soaking up the pain that keeps pouring down. Too much more and I may drown. I'm being followed by the night sky. It stole away my sight. It seems I have lost my way. I need someone to be my guide. Listen to my voice. Close your frightened eyes. Hide behind my love for you. Fear's only a choice, one that we all must make someday. So no, you're not alone in this. Reminding me of what I was and what I could become. Nothing should stay where they belong. Listen to my voice. Close your frightened eyes. Hide behind my love for you. Fear's only a choice, one that we all must make someday. So no, you're not alone in this. I'm sick and tired of these rain clouds that cover up the morning sun. I so desperately seek just one tiny glimpse of all I need. A spark of hope is what I'm after. A single day with cloudless skies would surely make a change. A friend whispering it'll be alright.